Welcome to week 26. We have returned to Cairns to basically just park up for a few weeks. We are a little tired of packing and unpacking the caravan. It has nearly been 8 months on the road, so we are running on tired. So we did some activities with the kids. The boys went ziplining with Dad over a crocodile. How cool is that? You certainly wouldn't have me ziplining over a crocodile. Hey guys, it's actually been 7 months on the road. We are only in week 26. We do have a few trials and tribulations this week, including damage to the caravan on a long weekend. Hubby does go away during this week, and I had to deal with the minor flood and all the other things that went wrong. I was a bit broken this week. I did test my limits. Thank God that our neighbouring caravan people helped us out. Anyway, enjoy the first section of this video and see all the fun and games that the kids got up to, and then stay tuned for all the drama that unfolded. You know what I mean. as I mentioned, we are back in Cairns, staying at the Cairns Coconut. We decided to stay at this caravan park again because it's just got all the facilities for the kids. There's so much for the kids to do. We only have one car and I'm not able to drive if hubby's got the car. So we can just be self-contained for a few days. There is a cafe on site. I have everything I need. The kids have access to all the park facilities. So it's just one of those staycation resort type of weeks. We also do a lot of school catch up and just relaxing because we are all very tired. So it is just nice to stop going off on excursions, exploring, discovering new things. You can't do it all, so you know what? If you're staying in a 5-star caravan park, you might as well enjoy the amenities. I was roaming around the caravan park having a lovely time with the children when someone came and found me to tell me that there was water leaking from the caravan. The last things you want to hear is water leaking from the caravan. And no, it was not cold water, it was hot water. As I am clueless to anything to do with a caravan, I did ask our neighbour next door, a grey nomad, who came to our rescue and found where the leak was. And did a temporary fix until hubby could come back and do a proper fix. I did message hubby to let him know which parts we needed so he could bring them with him to fix the caravan. Meanwhile, I am not risking any more water leakage, so we will be using the park facilities until hubby returns. That wasn't going to be our only drama with the caravan. I, of course, had to dry all the bedding. People helped me take out the double mattress and all the stuff that went with it. And we luckily had a sunny day to get everything dry again. Drama, drama. Next drama was the door handle broke on a long weekend. Luckily, our neighbours once again came to our rescue and went and bought a part for us at a caravan supply place in town and promptly fixed our door. So, next week, please stay tuned to find out what we are doing next. Cannot tell you if we're stopping or if we continue on. We are still at the Cairns Coconut though.